Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Pablo from Style Systems, your exclusive and personal image consultant. For more information, go to stylesystems.com.mx so you can find out everything that I do. So this video is going to be very short and sweet, and this is a question that I got asked, which is how to avoid or control the fear of standing in front of the camera. How to start your own YouTube, or maybe how to, develop yourself in front of the camera, how to, be comfortable with the content that you're putting out there. So I'm going to give you 5 steps, 5 simple techniques that you can apply so that you can start working on your confidence when you're in front of the camera. Point number 1. This is very simple, and this is something that you probably already know that I'm going to say because I am an image consultant, is working upon yourself, your image. The more you work on yourself, the more you work on your image, which basically means your communication, your essence, the more you become congruent and more confidence will arise. You become more confident, you become more at ease with yourself. You have more self-esteem, and this gets reflected on the camera. You literally don't give a fuck about the opinions of others because you have been investing in yourself. You know that you look good, you know that you have invested into yourself, so everything that you're communicating, the way that you're projecting yourself, it's okay with you. If you are okay with you, then if someone likes it, good. If someone doesn't like it, it's good. So work on your image. Remember that your image is not only your physical aspect, which also works with you. If you know that you look good, then you're not gonna fucking care when you're in front of the camera or not. You know that you look good. You are confident about yourself. But it's not only about the physical aspects of you, but it is also about your entire communication. Knowing who you are so that you can present it in the best way possible. It's literally becoming the best version of yourself. Point number 2. Relax yourself. You need to meditate. You need to be in control of yourself, of your emotions, of your breathing techniques. Meditation is a wonderful tool to be in control of yourself, of your breathing, of, just being emotionally stable. You don't care about this, oh, am I going to get liked? Am I going to get approved or not? You are in control. So you're not going to get like, panic attack and be like, oh, what the fuck do I say? What the fuck do I do? No. Breathe in, breathe out, and you're going to be okay. When you are in control of your emotions, you are in control of yourself, then your communication, your movements become more at ease. You become more comfortable with the way that you communicate. You don't care too much about being perfect because being perfect is just an illusion. There's no such thing as perfection. So you give yourself like a pass on fucking up. It's okay if you fuck up because this actually goes with the next step. Number 3, being congruent. When you are congruent and you don't care, you know what I'm saying? You need to communicate that you are a real person, in quotes. I mean, shit, we live in a society and we live in a time where everyone has a fucking YouTube channel. Everyone is trying to teach you some bullshit. Everyone is trying to say something about you or to you. Like, oh, I have the key of life. I'm going to teach you. If you buy my product, I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know. No, man. People are getting used to be fake. People are getting used to the fakeness. Like, oh, they take their fucking selfies. And even though they're feeling like shit, in their posts and in their videos, it's all perfect. Like, hey, welcome everyone. My name is Pablo. I'm gonna teach you how to blah, blah, blah. Bruh, come on, man. You gotta keep it real. There's gotta be a sense of realness and rawness that this is your life, and you're doing it because you are in control of yourself. You don't give a fuck. Literally, you do it out of an inner expression. You want to put it out there, regardless of the opinion of others. You are congruent with your essence. The message that you're communicating is in congruence with the inner aspects of you. So if you fuck up, it's okay. What you need to do is you need to get started. I remember you just watch the first videos that I did here on my YouTube. You will see it, man. Fuck. It was so fucking horrible. I looked like I was nervous, but that's okay. Confidence builds up with experience as well. So you just need to get started. Do it. At first, you may not like yourself. You're not gonna like your voice. You're not gonna like the way that you look. But the more you work upon yourself, the better. The more you're in control of your emotions, then the less reactive you're going to be. You're not going to be so much like, oh, I don't look good. Oh, people are not accepting me. If a hater, because they will come, if a hater comes and comments some bullshit in your channel, into your videos, you're not going to be reactive. You're going to be like, yeah, whatever, And I did a special video on how to handle haters, so I highly suggest that you watch that video because there's some some aspects that you need to cover as well. It's not only about not paying attention to them. You should not be played by these things, because then you're just waiting for validation from the outside. This is point number 4. If you're waiting on the outcome, if you're just doing this because you're waiting for getting money from your YouTube, if you're just doing it because you want to, you want to become famous, you want your fans, you're looking for the comments, you're looking for positive acceptance and shit like that, then you're not going to make it. You're going to be so nervous about getting accepted. You're going to be living outside of yourself, literally. That is what's preventing you from putting yourself out there as you should. Putting yourself out there properly and more powerfully. And also, if you are congruent, if what you're saying resonates with you, then more likely it's going to resonate with others. If what you're doing it for yourself because it's an inner truth. You're speaking from truth. You're speaking your own truth. You're expressing yourself, your uniqueness. That's something, that little voice that you have inside of yourself that is telling you you need to put your truth out there. If you're doing it like that, then it doesn't matter who likes you or doesn't like you, man. Remember that a praise and a hate or a hater, a bad comment, a good comment, it's part of the same coin. Stop waiting on the outcome, man. Detach yourself from the outcome. Do it because it's something that you need to share. For example, everything that I'm teaching you, it's, for those that have eyes will see it, those that have ears will fucking hear it. I don't care if you like me or not. This is beyond getting liked or not. This is about being unstoppable, undeniable, and putting your truth out there for the world to see it. There's gotta be someone around the entire fucking globe that will resonate with this. And it only resonates not because you're better than them or anything like that. It's because they have it within themselves as well. So if this resonates with you, it's because you already have it within you. So what the fuck are you waiting for? You need to put your truth out there. We need to stop making famous and people that are not worth it. We need to stop paying attention to fake motherfuckers. You need to put good content out there. Things that will benefit the world and the society. That will benefit human beings. This is about liberating yourself. This is about being more free. Not being played by society rules, not being played by what's expected from you because of your parents, because of the country that you live in, because of, I don't know, man, politically correctness bullshit. Which brings me to the next and final step, point number 5. Have some fun with it as well. Have some fucking fun, okay? Move your body, move around, man. Just have fun doing this shit, man. I enjoy doing this. I enjoy, getting together with my editor and doing this type of shit, man. It's fun. I do it because I like it. When you enjoy what you're doing, then it's not stressful. You're not waiting on the outcome. You're not waiting to get fans, to become famous, to get the money. You're doing it because you enjoy doing it. And then because you enjoy doing it and because you've applied the other steps, you can move better, you can laugh at it. You can be like, who gives a fuck, man? I'm just gonna fucking put it out there. And people appreciate being genuine. If you are genuine, people will appreciate it. I know that deep inside of everyone, they don't like being lied to. They don't appreciate fakeness. So have fun with it and move your body, be more in touch with yourself, not only with the inner part, but also with the outer part. And this is just a tip, this is the last piece of advice that I'm going to give you, and I'm going to end it up on this. Have some knowledge, my friends. Inform yourself. Keep hungry. You need to be hungry of knowledge. You need to keep reading or, maybe watching some fucking YouTube videos that do something for your life, that add some true value to your life. Not just entertaining you. It's not just about being like, oh, this is my way of doing it. If you don't like it, then get the fuck out of my YouTube channel and go to another one. But you need to keep yourself informed. You need to be intelligent. Stay educated, my friends. The more you know about what you're talking about, the more you are in control of it. If you know what the fuck you're talking about, then you're not gonna run out of content and you're gonna know how to explain it better. If you talk about things that you don't know, then at the very least you should say it. Man, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, but I'm just putting myself out there because I want to say it. At the very least, you're gonna be honest about it. You can say it into the world and put it out there. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, but this is my opinion. There's a difference between talking about your opinions than talking about what you know. If you know what you're talking about, then it's going to be more powerful. You're gonna be able to influence more, and it's going to be better. If you're talking about opinions, well, So like I said, man, opinions are like assholes. Everyone has one and they all fucking stink. You need to balance it out. If you're talking about something that is just going to entertain, it's about opinions, that's good, man. It's entirely relative to you. But if you know, if you inform yourself, if you educate yourself on the subject that you're about to talk about, it's going to be better for your audience, for yourself, for your videos. With that, I'm gonna leave you. Become the best version of yourself. Keep sending me your questions. Start doing it. That's the best advice that I can give you right now. Implement these 5 steps, or actually there were 6 steps. Just fucking do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one.